What if the car of your dreams is really a money pit in disguise? Welcome to the Car Vaults, where your next ride is safe from disaster. Today we're busting open the top 15 red flags that could turn your next test drive into a nightmare. Forget happy endings until you've checked every box. Smash that like, share, and subscribe so you never get fooled in the used car jungle. Now let's get under the hood. Don't just glance. Scrutinize the paint under sunlight. Panels that are different shades or have a glossy mismatch usually mean a collision repair covered up with uneven spraying. Run your fingers along panel gaps around doors, hoods, and headlights. Uneven gaps? That's frame warping or shoddy bodywork. Grab a paint thickness gauge if you can. Original paint usually measures 4 to 6 mils thick. Anything 9 mils or thicker, it's a repaint hiding a story, often an expensive crash. Always check the car's title status online. Salvage means the car was declared a total loss by insurance, flood, major accident, or fire. Rebuilt means it was fixed and passed an inspection, but repairs were often cheap with junkyard parts. These cars lose 20 to 40% of resale value and are tough to insure or finance. Banks will ask for higher rates or decline loans. Think twice before taking on hidden liabilities. Get underneath with a flashlight. Bent frame rails, cracked welds, or severe rust, especially bubbling or flaking near suspension mounts, spell danger. Fresh undercoating sprayed and maybe hiding structural rot. Tap suspicious areas with a screwdriver. Soft spots, walk away. Frame damage compromises safety, alignment, and tire wear. It's not just a cosmetic fix, it's a big money and safety risk. Look under the hood for dark oil or coolant leaking where the engine block meets the cylinder head. Don't ignore consistent coolant drops without puddles underneath. Burning coolant is a head gasket's death scream. Check the tailpipe for thick white smoke and dip the oil cap or stick for milky residue. Overheating engines flag this huge repair, typically $1,500 to $4,000 or more. Ignoring it risks full engine failure. Pop the oil cap and pull the dipstick. Fresh oil glimmers amber or light brown. Thick, dark, or gritty oil means years of neglected maintenance. Sludge buildup can completely block oil passages, starving critical engine parts of lubrication. This hidden damage can lead to oil pump failure or engine seizure. A well-maintained engine is your best bet. Never buy with nasty oil. Check your transmission dipstick or ask the seller to. Healthy fluid is bright red and smells slightly sweet. Dark brown, black, or burnt smelling fluid indicates the transmission is overheating and slipping internally. This destroys clutch packs and valve bodies. Repairs can cost thousands, sometimes $2,000 to $5,000 plus dollars, and clutch replacements or rebuilds aren't cheap. Don't gamble. Turn the key. All warning lights should illuminate briefly, then go off. Lights that stay on, check engine, ABS, airbag, indicate unresolved faults. Even worse, taped over, missing, or broken bulbs are tricks to hide problems. A professional OBD second scan is a must. It reveals fault codes and resets that sellers hope you never find out about. Look for airbag warning lights that stay lit or don't come on at all. Examine the dash and interior seams for wrinkles or mismatched panels. Signs airbags deployed. Some dishonest sellers use foam, rags, or disconnect sensors to fake airbags, leaving you defenseless. Remember, airbags aren't just features. They save lives and are expensive to replace properly. Over 450,000 cars get odometer rollbacks each year. Verify mileage by comparing odometer numbers with wear on the pedals, seats, and steering wheel. Review service records for strange mileage jumps or inconsistencies. Mechanical odos may show loose screws or crooked numbers near the dashboard. Digital odometers require a professional scan to verify true mileage. Don't trust the seller's word. Drive with the radio off and windows down. Listen for knocks, clunks, rattles, or whining sounds. Each one can point to engine, suspension, or transmission issues. Try accelerating, braking, turning, and driving over bumps. Uneven responses or noises often mean expensive repairs are lurking. Don't ignore the car's voice. Engines should start quickly and idle smoothly between 600 to 900 RPM. If it stumbles, stalls, or takes multiple tries to light off, that's trouble. Causes include fuel delivery issues, worn spark plugs, vacuum leaks, or failing sensors. These lead to poor fuel economy and big repairs, some costing thousands if ignored. Strong air fresheners blasting pine forest or new car scents are often used to mask mold, smoke, or flood damage odors. Dig beneath floor mats and seats for musty smells, water stains, or rust. Flooded cars have hidden corrosion and electrical problems that surface months or years later. Check the title name against the seller's ID. If they don't match, beware title jumping, reselling without official ownership. It's illegal and can leave you stuck with a car you cannot register or resell. Clear ownership and clean titles are non-negotiable. Honest sellers answer questions clearly and provide records. If the seller dodges questions, gets defensive, or offers vague answers about vehicle history or maintenance, that's a flashing red flag. They may be hiding costly problems. Don't let them reel you in. A pushy seller pressuring you with other buyers waiting or deal ends now is creating false urgency. Good cars don't need rush tactics. Slow down, inspect thoroughly, and walk away if you feel pressured. In car buying, haste makes waste. Thieves roll back odometers so cleverly that catching the trick sometimes requires professional diagnostic tools, not the cheap readers sold online. The dashboard lies, only hard data tells the truth. You're now armed to face the most twisted tales the used car market throws your way. Stay sharp, check every sign, and trust your gut, because in car buying there are no reshoots. Join me next time as we unlock the world of cars one vault at a time. See you on the next ride.